Hey, what's up guys? So I'm here today with my new camera, the Sony A6600. It's a great camera, spoiler alert. I wanted to throw together a little test video, test reel for you guys. So I thought that idea here. Everything in this video is going to be fully done on the Sony A6600. I'm filming it with it right now with no mic, no lighting at all. It's dry, right from the camera itself. Just want to see how things go. I'm of course going to add on things later, but for you guys I just want to keep it simple. I'll see you guys later in the vlog, and adios.